Hi, I'm 𝗪𝗵𝘁, Vice President of Medicare Supplement and Specialty Health. Welcome to 𝗪𝗵𝘁, a video series dedicated to training you on the secrets of hospital indemnity. By the end of this series, you will understand what HIP is, why you should be selling it, how it supports the Medicare eligible population, and tips and tricks for how to make hospital indemnity an integral part of your selling process. Today, we want to get you in the mind of your clients to really understand why hospital indemnity is the most important product that you probably aren't selling. Picture this, you're feeling great, it's AEP, and you just closed your 10th Medicare Advantage enrollment of the day. No one in this industry is more knowledgeable or more CMS compliant than you are. Life is pretty good. So why is Mrs. Jones calling very upset because she received a $700 hospital bill for a 2-night stay? Now don't get me wrong, you're very knowledgeable and always do things compliantly, but you forgot to mention 2 little words, hospital indemnity. Let's rewind. For about $1 a day, you could have offered your client a hospital indemnity plan that pays $350 per day for 5 days. So now, when Mrs. Jones calls you very upset because you received that hospital bill, you can say, no problem, that's why I put you on the hospital indemnity plan. Now you're not only knowledgeable and compliant, but you're also a hero to your client.